How to add a driver on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another Turo's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can add a driver on Turo. So what do you do first? Log in into your account via the website or via the application. And then once you're logged in, you go to the Trips tab and move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you can see this profile icon, click on it. In the box displayed, ensure you select trips. This is because in order for you to add a driver, you have to select the trip to which you want to add a driver. So once you're on the trips page, the next step is for you to choose the upcoming trip you want to add a driver to. Then scroll down to the section labeled additional drivers and then tap add driver. Okay, just follow what I'm saying. All right, choose the upcoming trip first of all that you want to add a driver to. Then on the trips page, scroll down to the section labeled additional drivers and then tap add driver. Then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in the driver details, which includes the email tied to the driver's Turo account. And if they don't have an account, enter a valid email they check regularly. And then advise your additional driver to look for an email from Turo, and as it might end up in their spam or junk folder. So once they've received the email, you should carry out the instructions that Turo sends to them, and then that way they will be approved and they will be added as a driver to your trip. So majority of the work comes from the driver. So ensure you form the driver. Go to the top right corner of the screen, click on your trip, select the trip, click on add a driver, follow the prompt, and you're good to go. So thank you very much for watching and have a sweet ride.